It's crazy over here. Yeah, he need to move his truck or something. Yeah. Yeah, I'm about to ask you, man, can you move your truck? Up this guy here. What's going on, man? He got him drop his trailer or something. Drop his truck. Drop his trailer, I mean, or something, because he is in a real bad position right here, man. He got to drop that trailer. Yeah. What's up, man? Yeah, he got to drop his trailer, man. He got to drop his trailer, bro. You going to drop it? Oh, you got to sweep it out?
Yeah, I finished.
You can sweep it out on the road,
Yeah.
you know? You can sweep it out on the street. Cause yeah, he gonna tear his whole shit up. Yeah, he gonna tear his whole, boy, he is in a bad situation. Yeah, he's in a bad situation. He gonna pop them lines, buddy. How the hell did he make that turn though? Goodness gracious. But how did he? Goodness. Shame on him, man. God damn. Man, I tell you, boy. Goodness gracious. Are you good, though? Alright, man. Yeah. I wonder, man, like, how the hell did you make that turn, though, bro? Huh? Alright. I get the driver. Alright. Hey, he said get the paperwork. He said get the paperwork at the office. That is crazy, man. Goodness gracious. Alright, you guys.